Okay, one more video. This is going up to what used to be our upstairs. All the carpet's up. Windows are out. Looking out this way will be their living room and their bedrooms. Here's Melly's old room, where the kitchen will be. This gets bushed out, I think, about 5 more feet. But they'll have a nice view from their kitchen window. And the deck's been extended. See the old bathroom? They pushed it out a few feet. And then down here, our old bedroom, which they pushed out, looks like about 5 more feet. The bedroom. And then again out through this way will lead to the other 2 bedrooms. So, things moving along.